Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show at its new time slot at 4 p.m. The days have remained the same. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And with all the necessary YouTube stuff out of the way, let's get into making our cocktail. This is an Italian cherry margarita. All right, in my shaker, I have 2 dark cherries that have been pitted, of course. And to that, I added about 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And I'm just going to muddle these together, making sure to get juice all over the counter. And we're just going to muddle these for a little bit, about a minute. And first thing we want to do is add ice, and then 1.5 ounces of tequila and 1 ounce of amaretto liqueur. Put the top on and shake this like you're jacking off a gorilla. Okay, into a cocktail glass filled with ice, we pour our drink in. That's pretty much it. It was absolutely delicious, by the way. So that's an Italian cherry margarita. Done. Like I said, this is perfect for a hot day. Like I said, it was a really good drink. I definitely will be making this again. All right. Done.